Hey guys, I want to introduce you to my little buddy Everett. This kid is crazy. First of all, he jumps out of a helicopter with me, which is my favorite thing in the world to do. Then he dives down to 100 feet, dives shipwrecks, dives through caves, learns how to ride the DPVs like a freaking champ. And then he wants to do something super crazy. He wants me to test him like I test my staff. Now, I'm a retired Navy SEAL, and I used to run all the training for all the dive related things. And what I do to my guys, he wanted me to do to him. So I beat the crap out of him. Check this out. Every little buddy, I freaking love you, dude. Proud of you. Can't wait for you to come back in a couple months. Hoo-yah.